What you're witnessing is a masterclass in citizen accountability, played out right in front of a baffled police officer. The key to this entire confrontation? Silence. Notice how the citizens aren't yelling or being aggressive. They are simply discussing Taco Bell while refusing to engage with the officer's demands for a conversation. Many people believe they must answer questions when law enforcement approaches, but the ACLU reminds us that the constitutional right to remain silent applies immediately. By calmly choosing to talk about Crunchwrap Supremes and the price of sour cream, these citizens are effectively using the Fifth Amendment as an impenetrable shield. Watch how quickly the officer's authority crumbles when he encounters citizens who know their rights better than he expected.
Silent treatment. Silent treatment.
Absolutely. Not a word.
Hello.
Does sound pretty good.
We'll have to go to another location.
Yeah, we can probably hit Battle Creek.
Hello.
There we go. This one.
Yeah, we can do that. We can go to Battle Creek. Yeah.
I like those mushroom Swiss.
Hello.
The spicy chicken.
Are we not being
pretty good.
verbal?
Yeah. That mushroom Swiss does sound
We're
really
just
good.
trying to have a conversation. We're not trying to yell at you guys.
I do like the Crunchwrap Supreme.
Okay.
I like the cheesy bean rice from too.
What's going on today?
I like the Burrito Supreme. It's
They're charging $5 for that.
Are they
damn
really?
thing now.
Really?
Sir?
It must be the extra sour cream
Either
that's
way,
in there.
can we just have a
Yeah, they
civil
must be putting extra
conversation,
sour cream in there.
about this?
Right. I
Yeah.
always add extra sour cream, so that puts it over $5.
Yeah, really, it does.
Mm-hmm. Just for one simple burrito that I can make at home for like 50 cents.
Right, right.
Crazy.
It is crazy. Totally insane.
Gentlemen, can we have a conversation about what's going on? I just at least want to have a talk with you.
At least the sound of the bathroom drowning out that music over there.
It is, yeah. It is nice.
That way we don't have to mute our volume.
Right. I was worried about that at first, but it didn't travel this far. I was worried that the music was going to travel over here, but it didn't. She's so mad. It's like they won't talk to me.
This is where the magic happens. The officer is now utterly befuddled because his usual tactic of demanding compliance is completely ineffective. He expected immediate submission, but instead he got silence and snack talk. The ACLU confirms this strategy is completely legal. You are not required to talk to law enforcement, even if you feel you are not free to leave. Anything you say can and will be used against you, but remaining silent cannot be punished. The only exception, as the ACLU notes, is that in some states you may be required to provide your name once you are officially detained, but you never have to answer questions about what you are doing. These citizens didn't give the officer the verbal bait he was looking for, leaving him defeated and laughing in confusion.
I like the Burrito Supreme.
They're charging $5 for that.
Are they
damn
really?
thing now.
Really?
Sir?
It must be the extra sour cream
Either
that's
way,
in there.
can we just have a
Yeah, they
civil
must be putting extra
conversation,
sour cream in there.
about this?
Right. I
Yeah.
always add extra sour cream, so that puts it over $5.
Yeah, really, it does.
Mm-hmm. Just for one simple burrito that I can make at home for like 50 cents.
Right, right.
Crazy.
It is crazy. Totally insane.
Gentlemen, can we have a conversation about what's going on? I just at least want to have a talk with you.
At least the sound of the bathroom drowning out that music over there.
It is, yeah. It is nice.
Let's be absolutely clear on the legal footing here. The citizen's power comes from two simple questions they didn't even have to ask. Am I being detained? And am I free to go? If the answer to the second question is yes, you walk away. If the answer is no, you are detained, and your only necessary communication is often your name, depending on the state. The police can only perform a pat-down if they have reasonable suspicion that you are armed and dangerous. These citizens' passive, silent resistance starved the officer of the information he needed to escalate the situation or find probable cause. Their calmness and conversational immunity served as a perfect demonstration of legal self-defense, forcing the officer to concede defeat and reinforcing that the right to remain silent is your strongest protection.